Well, there it is. Good enough. Did what I had to do. Well, this is the gauge panel. It's upside down from what you're going to see it for the Camaro. Goes in where the air conditioner vents used to be. Second coat just went on. Well, there is the gauge panel and the switch panel, whatever you want to call it, all painted, fully dried. Looks a little bit better than it did while I was painting it yesterday. I thought it was gonna not look so good, but the paint turned out good. 3 coats on there. Well, today I've been making the brackets here. Hold the radiator on. Bend them in the vise. I actually cut them with a hacksaw. I got all the power tools to cut them, but I just aluminum. I don't know. I like aluminum, soft metal. I'll cut it with a hacksaw when I do it. And I added the little rubber hose there wherever the braided stainless steel lines are meeting somewhere, so when they're rubbed, they don't wear a hole in. Number one, this is kind of sharp, so I don't want it wearing a hole in the tank, and number two, I don't want it wearing a hole in the line. So that's all I've been doing today. I know it's not a lot, but better than nothing. Well, you might as well see the bad. That's spot on the radiators from when it used to fall with the cardboard on, and I took the cardboard off. I was hoping I wouldn't have it damage, but I have a little damage. But y'all won't see that once I put my fan on, so I figured, hey, I'll show you the good, the bad, and the ugly. There you go. Well, I have the power from the battery to the solenoid, and then the switch going up. These here are some kind of spark plug protector thermal things. I decided to put them on there just for the heck of it. And then the wires split there, go into that, go down to the alternator. This one here, that goes back to the battery, because when I flip the disconnect, that'll kill that. So that's that. lets me know I have power. Well, there's a small hole in the floorboard here right next to the transmission tunnel. I'm going to get in here. This is on the passenger side. I'm going to get in here and grind it up, clean it up, make up a patch, and weld her up. Good luck. Well, there it is. Welded in. That didn't take too long. I know that one there on the right, about the third one up, got a little hot and I made a hole, so I had to fill my hole. It's about the first time I've ever filled a hole successfully. Every time I ever fill a hole, it makes it worse. But this time I filled it. So that's a good thing in all its own, you know. There, one less thing to do.